Okay, this is Tyler Stipek's video on the train ride for at the Morgan's Wonderland Park, and we're just checking out the view and having a blast.
Yep.
And
checking out the view.
Yeah, Richard's taking views, and we're just looking at the park. And after 11, we're going to go to the water park and have more fun, relaxation time. Yep, this is the life. Just checking it out, having a blast. And yep, there's the railroad tracks.
Bingo?
Bingo?
Yep. I got a kid, Willy Wonder.
Oh, Willy Wonder, huh?
Let's see it, Willy Wonder.
Let's see. There's the lake water. Looks gorgeous, doesn't it, folks? Yep. And I can't wait to go in the dip of that water and get cooled off and relax and stuff. How about you, Richard?
Me?
Are you ready to get cooled off, get wet when it's 11? And then I'll have lunch at noon.
With pizza and chicken nuggets.
Do they have pizza now?
Yes, they do.
That's cool.
That's why I tried to ask them Morgan's Wonderland question, that if they have pizza, they say yes.
Oh, cool. Can't wait. I'll check that out. If they don't, that's okay. I'll get a hot dog or something.
Oh, who loves pizza?
Apparently you do, and I do. Yep. This is a good day. And here's the water behind me. Are you still doing a picture, Richard?
Yeah, I have to do a spot where they just opened up.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, I have to do a close-up for the spot where they sell Italian food.
Yeah. Yep.
Because I checked the map, it's number 26.
Oh, yeah.
Remember the go give me the map?
Oh yeah, back when we first entered.
Yes.
Yeah, I remember.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was cool. Yep. Pretty nice view here. Check that out. Wonderful view from here. Yep, this is going on YouTube, Richard.
Yep.
Yeah.
Not this one.
Good times, good times.
Not this one.
Well, mine is. Oh, look at the duckies. There's the duckies. I took video of the duckies there, Richard.
Yeah, I did. That's it.
Yep. So far we're up to 3 minutes now, Richard.
There's a big area for gym area.
Oh yeah. How about that? Oh, oh yeah, there's the water park.
Yeah, I got
get that. Oh man.
Now I gotta get a picture of Middle East pizza rolls. Water pizza.
Man, that's a good idea. Mamma mia. Whoa, that's a little bit. Yep, that's where we'll be coming in a little bit. Oh, I gotta get this spot because there's the water. We're just probably getting it set up right now. Well, it looks like they're opening. Is it already almost 11? It's almost. Hi. Hi.
videos. Hello.
Hello.
How y'all doing? How y'all doing?
I'll see you
Great.
when you open. Oh, that's
Hi.
nice. Yep. This
Well,
is cool.
Gotta get a view.
Oh,
Perfect.
here we go. Get this part.
I
Yeah,
got a good view.
yeah, I know.
Now I'm gonna take a view of the island.
Oh, look, I wonder if they're doing a show over there, Richard.
They are, well, I should have a concert here on my birthday break.
Oh, yeah.
Man.
Yep. Hi.
Hello.
Wow, 6 minutes. I'm on the roll, Richard.
Good for you.
Yep, good
I
for
know
me.
people are coming on that day.
And here we go. There's another ride over there on your left. And here's a bunch of kids on your left, waving at all of us.
Hi.
Hi. Oh, that's cute. And here's some like a barber shop building a walking horse.
How you doing? Good.
And that should include our route for this ride. This is Tyler Stipek and Richard King Flynn signing out. Bye!
I take pictures though. I'm gonna turn my phone.
Okay, it's not turning off.